To have a button group span the entire width of the screen, we can use the button group justified class. In this example, we can see the buttons respond to changes in the browser size. The buttons expand and contract as the browser shrinks and expands. In order to do this, we need to create a div and attach two classes. This is our block of code for the button group, and we've started with a div element. We've attached two classes to this div element, button group and button group justified. Inside the div, it's easiest to create each button using a link element. Here you can see we have three links, starting with our opening A tag. And each link has the button and button primary class attached. And of course, the button label. So we've done this for the remaining buttons as well, home, company, and contact. And you can see them all here. So this is the easiest way to do it. We can use button elements as well for the links, but the process is a bit longer. So this second block of code pertains to this button group here, the second one. And this time we've used button elements instead of link elements. So in order to do this, first we need to create a div and give it the button group and button group justified class, just as we did before. But this time we also have to nest each button element inside its own div. So you can see we have three div elements, and each element has the class button group. Inside each div element, we have the button element, and we've attached two classes, button and button primary, to the button element. And so we've done this, we've repeated this for each button. So you can see that the process is a bit longer if you want to use the button element.